In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a safety check on Google Chrome. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what the results mean, so you can keep your browser secure and running smoothly. With Chrome open, head to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots, often called the More menu. This opens Chrome's main menu, where all the key settings live. From there, click on Settings. A new tab will open with Chrome's Settings page, which is where you can manage everything from your default search engine to privacy controls. On the left side of the Settings page, select Privacy and Security. This section is where Chrome groups the tools that help protect your data and your device. You'll see options related to cookies, site permissions, and safety features. Now, click Go to Safety Check. This takes you directly to Chrome's built-in checker, which quickly evaluates a few important areas and summarizes your browser's security status. Once you're on the Safety Check page, Chrome will gather information and display results right on the screen. It typically reviews whether your browser is up to date, checks if any of your saved passwords may have been exposed in known data breaches, confirms your safe browsing setting, and looks for potentially harmful extensions. You don't have to hunt around. Chrome presents each item clearly, usually with a simple pass or attention needed message. If everything looks good, you'll see confirmation that no action is required. If something needs attention, Chrome will point it out and provide on-screen options to help you address it. For example, you may be prompted to review passwords, adjust your safe browsing level, or look at extensions that might pose a risk. Let the page finish its checks and read each result carefully so you know what Chrome is recommending. A few quick tips as you review. Make sure you're in the correct Chrome profile if you use more than one, because password and extension checks are profile specific. Don't close the Settings tab while the check runs. Give it a moment to complete. If your device is managed by an organization, some settings might be locked, and Chrome will indicate that. And remember, Safety Check is a helpful snapshot. It complements but doesn't replace good security habits like using strong, unique passwords and keeping your operating system updated. That's it. By going to the three dots, opening Settings, choosing Privacy and Security, and then go to Safety Check, you can quickly understand your browser's health and follow Chrome's guidance to stay protected.